Hi, everybody. It's Miss Karen. I miss you all. I love you. I hope you're doing well. So today I am going to share a book with you. And do you remember the name of the person who writes a book? I'm going to have you look up close. The author, and the author of the book is me. I wrote this book. And the illustrator, so I'm the person who drew the picture. So I wrote the words that are in this story. Those were my words. I did not draw the pictures. My friend Sharon drew the pictures, and we worked together. And together we were able to get this book published. So Splish, Splash, Dolphins and Kids. And there are two main characters in this book. And this is a girl named Olivia, and this is a boy named Jack. And it starts off by saying, Olivia says, "Hey Jack, I have a riddle for you. I love to swim, but I'm not a fish. What am I?" And Jack says, "Me, I love to swim, and I'm not a fish." Olivia said, "The answer is a dolphin." And then Jack said, "I thought dolphins were fish." Olivia said, "No, but guess what? Dolphins are not fish." Jack said, "I wonder how they breathe underwater." Do you know how dolphin breathes? There's something right here. It's called a blowhole. So dolphins have a blowhole. This right here. It says, "Look at me. I have a blowhole." Look, is that silly? And then he said, "Look at me now. I can kick like a dolphin." Jack's so silly. Okay, ready? This is, show it right here if you can read it. It says, "What is a dolphin's favorite constellation or group of stars?" The answer is the Big Flipper. Get it? Instead of the Big Dipper, it's the Big Flipper. Ready? "Do dolphins sleep?" And Olivia said, "Yes, but only half of their brains sleep at a time. That way they can always be alert." And Olivia knows so much because she is a dolphin expert. She reads. Okay, ready? It says, "Are there any other mammals that live in the water?" Oh, yes, because dolphins are mammals. Mammals living in the sea can be divided into different groups. But guess what? Do you think sharks are mammals like dolphins? Oh, they are fish. Okay, here's a little joke. Knock, knock. Who's there? Whale. Whale who? Will you show me some pictures of marine mammals? I'm just going to show you the pictures. These are all different marine, let me see, marine mammals. I'm doing that so you won't see the next page. Okay, and this is a picture of the blue whale, and it is the largest mammal ever, and it shows how big it would be. Isn't that crazy? Do you think this could really happen? What do you think? Probably, I don't think so. Okay, you're ready? Here's a joke. What is the dolphin's job in a diner? So I'll show it again. What is the dolphin's job in a diner? You ready? The answer is a pancake flipper. Look at that. He's a flipper. Silly. He has a flipper. Here's one. I don't know if you can see that. What do dolphins eat? It says fish, fish. Who can swim faster, dolphins or people? I wonder. And believe it or not, the answer is dolphins. There's a lot of words down here that we can talk about later. How else are we like dolphins, I wonder? Guess what? Dolphins love to play in the water, just like us. And here's a picture of how dolphins like to play in the water. And here are ways that kids like to play in the water. So, just want to look at the pictures. Have you done any of these things? It's so much fun. Even in the bathtub, you can play. Okay, here's a picture of, for kind of parts of this book are for older kids, but it shows like how to dive, playing a game called Marco Polo. Kids on a swim team, this is the team my boys used to be on, Ryan and Kevin. This shows the different strokes of swimming. And this is what, older kids. Okay. And this question is, I wonder who dolphins swim with. And Olivia says, guess what? Dolphins are so friendly. They love to swim together. Here's a question. You ready? Look at this one. What would a dolphin fairy godmother give Cinderella? And I'm going to just let you look at this for a second. What would a fairy godmother give Cinderella? Do you love this? The answer is glass flippers. Look at that. Is that funny? Glass flippers. And then almost at the end, it shows you how to draw a dolphin. Jack loves to draw. And he is going to teach us how. First, second, how to draw a dolphin. And at the end, they are saying, Jack says, I love to swim. When I grow up, I want to be a lifeguard and be a swim team coach. And Olivia said, guess what? When I grow up, I want to train dolphins and be a marine biologist, which is a really big word. So, baby. At the very end, there are some facts about dolphins. And the back cover kind of explains or shows how dolphins and kids are alike and different. And I hope that you enjoy this book. We are going to be emailing you some special, I think, activities related to the book, which I know you will love. And I miss you all, and I love you, and I look forward to, well, maybe emailing with you guys or doing it more Zooms. That's what I was about to say. Oops. I I dropped my phone. Okay, love you all. Bye.